what we are going to learn. Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn some simple and effective tips to help you improve your English language skills. Whether you are just starting or already know some English, these tips will make learning easier and more fun. By the end of the video, you will have practical ideas to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing in English every day. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start with the basics. When learning English, it's important to start with the basics. This means learning simple words, phrases, and sentences. For example, begin with common greetings like, hello, how are you, and thank you. You can also learn numbers, days of the week, and basic verbs like eat, go, and sleep. To remember these words, try using flashcards or writing them down in a notebook. Practice saying them out loud every day. The more you repeat, the easier it will be to remember. Tip 2. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is one of the best ways to improve your English. Even if you only know a few words, try to use them as much as possible. You can talk to yourself in the mirror, practice with a friend, or join an English-speaking group. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. The important thing is to keep trying. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Tip 3. Listen to English every day. Listening is another key part of learning English. You can listen to English songs, watch movies or TV shows, or even listen to podcasts. Start with simple content, like children's shows or slow-paced videos for learners. As you listen, try to pick out words or phrases you understand. You can also turn on subtitles to help you follow along. Over time, your listening skills will improve, and you'll understand more and more. Tip 4. Read in English. Reading is a great way to learn new words and see how sentences are structured. Start with easy books, like children's stories or short articles. You can also read signs, menus, or labels in English. When you find a word you don't know, write it down and look up its meaning. Try to use the new word in a sentence to help you remember it. Reading every day will help you build your vocabulary and improve your understanding of English. Tip 5. Write in English. Writing is another important skill to practice. You don't need to write long essays. Just start with simple sentences. For example, you can write about your day, make a shopping list, or send a short message to a friend in English. Keep a journal where you write a few sentences every day. This will help you practice grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. Over time, you'll feel more comfortable writing in English. Tip 6. Learn grammar. Step by step. Grammar is the rules of a language, and it's important for speaking and writing correctly. However, you don't need to learn all the rules at once. Start with basic grammar, like how to make simple sentences or use verbs in the present tense. For example, learn how to say, I eat breakfast, or she goes to school. As you get better, you can learn more complex grammar, like past tense or questions. There are many online resources and apps that can help you practice grammar in a fun way. Tip 7. Use apps and online resources. There are many apps and websites that can help you learn English. Some popular ones include Duolingo, Babbel, and Quizlet. These tools make learning fun and interactive. You can also watch YouTube videos or join online English classes. Many of these resources are free, so you can practice anytime, anywhere. Find the ones that work best for you and use them regularly. Tip 8. Practice with native speakers. If possible, try to practice English with native speakers. This means people who speak English as their first language. You can find language exchange partners online or join conversation groups in your community. Talking with native speakers will help you learn natural phrases, improve your pronunciation, and understand different accents. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on communicating and having fun. Tip 9. Set goals and track your progress. Setting goals is a great way to stay motivated. For example, you can set a goal to learn 10 new words every week or to have a 5-minute conversation in English by the end of the month. Write down your goals and track your progress. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This will keep you excited about learning and help you see how much you've improved. Tip 10. Be patient and consistent. Learning a new language takes time, so be patient with yourself. Don't expect to be perfect right away. Instead, focus on making small improvements every day. Try to practice English for at least 15-30 minutes every day. Even a little bit of practice can make a big difference over time. Remember, consistency is key. Tip 11. Have fun with English. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Find ways to make it fun. For example, you can play word games, sing karaoke, or watch your favorite movies in English. When you enjoy what you're doing, you'll be more motivated to keep learning. So, find activities that you love and make them part of your English practice. Tip 12. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask for help. You can ask a teacher, a friend, or even look up answers online. There are many people and resources available to support you. Remember, everyone needs help sometimes, and asking questions is a great way to learn. So don't hesitate to reach out when you need it. Conclusion. What we have learned. In this video, we learned 12 simple tips to help you learn English. We talked about starting with the basics, practicing speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day. We also discussed using apps, setting goals, and having fun with English. Remember, learning a new language takes time and effort, but with these tips, you can make progress every day. Keep practicing, stay patient, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning English. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your studies. This explanation is written in simple English to help new learners understand and follow along easily. It provides practical tips and encourages consistent practice, which is essential for language learning.